Hi everyone, this is Victoria with the World Alternative Health. Here we talk everything and anything about God's laws on health, natural remedies, and lifestyle. As promised, today I will be talking about the most common digestive issues that we have today. The most common digestive aches and pains. This includes like acid reflux, indigestion, ulcers, bloating, and all that. Ailments of the stomach may include symptoms such as burning pain, that is the heartburn, which may worsen after eating a meal, irritation, abdominal pain, difficulty in swallowing, increased belching, vomiting, nausea, and sometimes bleeding. Bad breath is a key symptom of indigestion too. So today, I just want to focus on the causes of digestive aches and pains. What are some of the common causes of digestive aches and pains? Okay, so number one, eating too fast. Eating too fast. In order to secure healthy digestion, food should be eaten slowly. If your time to eat is limited, do not bolt your food down, but eat less and masticate very well. Those who are excited, anxious, or in a hurry will do well not to eat until they have found rest or relief, for the vital powers already severely tasked cannot supply the necessary digestive fluids. So it is important that we eat slowly. If you're in a hurry and you don't have the time to eat, it's better that you don't eat at all. Number two, eating on the go. Eating on the go. This is something that a lot of people do more often because we don't have time to sit down and really eat. So always eating in a hurry. Shoveling food down is also a no-no. If you want to tame heartburn, slow down when you want to eat. If you're concerned about heartburns, this is one main reason for heartburns, that you are always eating on the go. At mealtime, cast all your care and trouble, though do not feel hurried, but eat slowly and with cheerfulness. Number three, overeating. Overeating. This applies to even good food. You know, sometimes we have the bad food and the good food. Even with the good food, you overeat it, it will cause you digestive problem. The habit of overeating or eating too many kinds of food at one meal frequently causes indigestion. So please, eating if your stomach says it's full, it is full. You don't want to be eating and that you are so overeating and you feel so starved after eating. You don't want to do that. Number four, eating meals too close together. For most people, 5 to 6 hours between meals are needed. So make sure you're spacing your time. You don't want to be eating at 9, then in about 2 hours, you're snacking and all that. No. You must space your time. When you finish one meal, you want to wait at least 5 to 6 hours for the next meal. Number 5, eating between meals. And I think I did an episode discussing all this, eating between meals. There was a study that was done, and the x-ray of stomach when we eat between meals or we snack between meals, the result of all that. You know, it all weakens our stomach. Eating between meals, not eating on time or on schedule, it all weakens our stomach, and that leads to all this digestive problem that we have. Number 6, eating a large evening meal or late at night. The rule of thumb is that you eat at least, if you want to eat at night, you eat before at least 6 o'clock. And when you want to eat at 6 p.m., you want to eat just fruits, okay? You don't want to eat a heavy meal, then you go to sleep with a full stomach. So guess what is happening? When you sleep, it's like your body is still working. Your guts are still working, trying to digest the food that you ate. So it is really advisable that you don't eat large meal at night. Number 7, using of baking soda and baking powder. That is another cause of it. I did a video, an episode on this, so you can go back and watch it. There's also leaky gut. individuals with abnormal gut flora most times have low stomach acid production. So this causes a lot of digestive problem. I'm going to make a video on specifically on leaky gut because it is really a very common digestive problem people have, and they don't even know that they have it. So I'm going to make a specific video for this. Number 10, drinking with meals. I did talk about this extensively. Drinking with meals, you want to wait. You don't want to be drinking with meals, because when you do that, you are just diluting all your digestive juice. The digestive juice needs to be triggered so that it can do what it's supposed to do, that is breaking down the food that we eat. But if you're drinking with meals, it's just diluting it, and this makes your stomach, the food to be in your stomach for a very long time. So the rule of thumb is that when you finish a meal, you want to wait at least an hour before you start drinking your water. Okay. Number 11, the use of vinegar. Vinegar, it's a ferment. It ferments your blood, and it causes all other issues. I've made a video on that. Number 12, eating too great varieties. That means you're eating too many in a meal. You just want to eat at least two or three varieties in a meal. So you have your fruits, and you have your grains, you have your nuts, you have your proteins. Those are some of the things. But if you're mixing the flesh, that is the meat you eat, you're eating the grains and the vegetables and the fruits, all those things combined, eating it all in one meal, it's kind of causes indigestion too. Eating fried foods is also another big thing. Every food has you eat is like fried. It causes a lot of digestive issues. Some food also triggers. We have some foods that really triggers indigestion, such as tomatoes, peppermints, like cabbage, onions, garlic. They normally triggers indigestion, as in because it produces a lot more acid in your stomach. So another one, it's drinking a drink, like if you're taking alcohol or the coffee or the tea or the sodas, all this is also causes indigestion. Another important one I really want to mention, it's wearing like tight clothing, the belt and the tight jeans, and you're eating. Oh boy, this prevents free action of organs, and superficial breathing is a result. When everything is tight and you're eating, your body does not even have the room to even breathe and even to digest all the food you have, and it leads to all this too much acid reflux, stomach aches, and all that. So I hope this information was helpful. Remember, sickness, diseases, suffering, and death are the works of the destroyer, the devil, who comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. But God, the restorer, will restore your health if you are obedient and follow the laws of health. God bless you, and I will see you in the next episode.